6 Bermuda Chub from our grow-out system into Stingray Bay. These fish were actually collected as eggs. We collected eggs from the Secret Reef exhibit, this exhibit behind me. There's a large population of Bermuda Chub in that tank, and they're what's called a pelagic spawner. So they're releasing sperm and eggs into the water. We can collect fertilized eggs from this exhibit and grow them up first in our larval fish culture system, and then in a grow-out system that we have in River Journey. And eventually they'll be big enough to go to exhibit first in Stingray Bay, and then later back to the Secret Reef. We've been working on this for about a year and a half. Almost all saltwater fish are collected from the ocean, with the exception of a few small ornamentals like clownfish, cardinal fish. All other fish are collected from the ocean as wild animals. Reason being, their life cycle is such that the fish, when they first hatch, are very, very tiny, very difficult to feed.
Because saltwater fish start off so small, the food is very important and is also very small, but that small food has its own special food that is challenging to grow, which is behind me, the algae. It has to remain sterile so that we're only growing that one type of algae, and that's kind of hard to do. So for a while, about 4 months at the beginning of the project, it took us a while to figure out how to do the algae and grow it. And then we were able to introduce the copepods, which is their first feeding food. Those are the small little live foods that they eat. All these little things like air and flow and temperature and food, we had to figure out slowly. And because it's challenging and hard, it's new all the time, so it shakes it up a little bit. It's fun to work on something that's challenging and new and exciting. So you're always excited when they make it to a new stage, and then finally we get to add them back to the exhibit, which we've been waiting to do forever. So that's really exciting to be able to see them just progress kind of like out of our care and into like just an exhibit maintenance kind of thing. They're gone now. They can take care of themselves, so we can focus on getting new ones.
It's just really exciting to be able to have collected them as eggs from this tank and then raise them successfully to the point where they can go back on exhibit. Very cool. Something we've been working towards for about a year and a half now.